Hello and welcome to the Master Data Channel, your guide to turning data chaos into business clarity. If you're looking to build a data-driven organization, you're in the right place. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to help other professionals on their data journey. Now let's begin. Imagine this. Your marketing team spends 3 days just hunting for the right customer revenue metrics. Your finance department uses a completely different definition of sales than your operations team. A new analyst misinterprets a single data field, leading to a 50,000 Rand loss in flawed projections. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. These aren't just daily frustrations. They are clear symptoms of a data literacy gap. And in South Africa's POPIA-driven landscape, where misunderstood data carries the risk of compliance fines and reputational damage, data literacy isn't just optional, it's essential for survival. So what's the secret weapon to bridge this gap? Metadata management. And no, it's not just technical jargon for data about data. It is the fundamental engine for data literacy in your organization. Let's break down what metadata management really solves. It transforms chaos into clarity by documenting 4 key things. First, it documents meaning. For example, it clearly defines customer lifetime value as total revenue divided by active years. Second, it documents origin, specifying that the data is sourced from the CRM and updated nightly. Third, it documents lineage, showing the data's journey from raw sales data to being cleaned, then aggregated, and finally used in this report. And fourth, it documents the rules, such as this calculation excludes refunds over 5,000 Rand. Contact IT to request access. Without this critical context, your data is a minefield of misinterpretation. With it, your teams gain true data superpowers. Here are 6 specific ways metadata management boosts data literacy across your business. Number 1, it speaks plain English. The problem? Endless debates over what an active user really means. The metadata fix? Clear business definitions, context, and real-world usage examples right where the data is found. The impact? It eliminates ambiguity and ensures everyone is literally on the same page. Number 2, it makes data discoverable in seconds. The problem? Endlessly searching for last month's supplier payment file across countless shared folders. The metadata fix, a searchable data catalog with intelligent tags and categories. The impact? It empowers self-service and can stop 70% of those "where's the data" emails. Number 3, it prevents costly misinterpretation. The problem, accidentally using net revenue instead of gross revenue in a critical investor report. The metadata fix, field-level definitions, calculations, and important caveats attached directly to the data. The impact, it builds trust and ensures every business decision uses accurate, compliant data. Number 4, it breaks down silos. The problem, sales defines a churned customer as 90 days of inactivity, while support uses 120 days. The metadata fix, a central business glossary that enforces one standardized company-wide definition. The impact? It aligns all departments around a single source of truth. Number 5, it delivers data governance by default. The problem? The panic-filled question. Is this customer data POPIA compliant? The metadata fix. Systems that automatically flag sensitive fields, document consent, and track data lineage. The impact? It turns governance from a complicated hurdle into a simple, everyday habit. Number 6, it fuels independent analysis. The problem? Your data team is bogged down answering simple queries for business users. The metadata fix, contextual guidance and documentation available beside every dataset. The impact? It truly democratizes data, freeing your experts to focus on high-value work. For South African businesses, this isn't just theoretical. In our market, where POPIA compliance is non-negotiable, metadata is your accelerator. It provides audit-ready lineage, automates the tagging of personal information, and lays the clean, well-documented foundation required for reliable AI and analytics. So how do you start your literacy transformation? It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, audit. Identify your most critical data sets, starting with customer and financial data. Step 2, standardize. Define your core business terms in a central glossary. And step 3, tool up. Invest in a modern metadata management or data governance platform. As the Chief Data Officer of a leading South African bank aptly said, metadata is the compass that turns data chaos into confidence. The bottom line is this: data literacy isn't just about more training. it's about building the right environment. Robust metadata management removes friction, builds trust, and finally turns data into your organization's most fluent and powerful language. Ready to make data everyone's business? Read our blog post for more detail on how to shine a light on your metadata. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to the Master Data channel for more insights that unlock your data's potential. Thanks for watching.